Austin, my finger feels better with the Band-Aid on.
No.
You want Grandma to take it off?
Yeah.
And you want to come here and take my Band-Aid off?
Yes.
Okay, come here. You want to come take it off? You going to take Grandma's Band-Aid off?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you think that will make me feel better?
Yeah.
Because I actually feel better with the Band-Aid on.
Okay.
Okay, can you pull that part right there?
Yeah.
You're going to pull it off and make it better? Pull really hard. Oh, there you go. Keep pulling. Keep pulling it off. There, you're almost done.
Hey,
Almost done, yeah. See? But Grandma feels better with the Band-Aid on, honey. I'll take it, honey. I'll take it. It's sticky, isn't it? Yeah. That was a fresh Band-Aid, too.
No, not on any.
Oh, but Grandma likes it. It makes my finger feel better.
No.
No. You woke up kind of fussy today, didn't you? Oh, you're so fussy. Shall I throw this Band-Aid away?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll throw it away, honey. How come Grandma can't have a Band-Aid on her finger? It makes my owie feel better. Do you want a Band-Aid?
No.
No Band-Aid? Okay. Where are you going now?
I stopped still.
You gonna go see Percy and Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's Pussy?
Well, somewhere down there.